In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, especially when it comes to household chores like dishwashing. Fortunately, there's a wide range of portable countertop dishwashers available on the market, each offering unique features to suit different needs and lifestyles. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's explore some of the top options available. First up, we have the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher. This compact dishwasher boasts a 6-liter built-in water tank, eliminating the need for installation or a permanent water connection. With dimensions of 17.25 inches deep, 16.5 inches wide, and 18.35 inches high, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. It can accommodate up to 2 place settings and offers 7 washing programs, including a UV hygiene cycle and auto-open feature for enhanced drying. Next, we have the NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Despite its small size of 16.8 inches deep, 16.9 inches wide, and 18.1 inches high, it can hold 4 full play settings. This dishwasher offers 5 washing programs, including a baby care mode with a high-temperature wash suitable for baby products and oily tableware. It also features a dry mode and automatic ventilation to keep dishes dry and odor-free. Moving on, we have another offering from COMFEE. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher features a spacious interior, capable of accommodating up to 6 place settings. With dimensions of 20.6 inches deep, 21.6 inches wide, and 17.2 inches high, it's ideal for small households. This dishwasher offers 8 washing cycles, including heavy-duty and speed programs, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. Next, let's take a look at the Hermit Luxe Countertop Dishwasher. With a capacity of 5 liters and dimensions of 16.73 inches deep, 16.85 inches wide, and 18.03 inches high, this dishwasher is compact yet efficient. It offers 5 washing programs, including options for standard cleaning, fast cleaning, and eco-friendly mode. The high-temperature wash ensures thorough cleaning, while the heated dry function keeps dishes sparkling clean. Our fifth option is the Dishwashing DWP62SV Portable Countertop Dishwasher. With a capacity of 6 place settings and dimensions of 19.63 inches deep, 21.63 inches wide, and 17.31 inches high, this dishwasher offers ample space for small households. It features 7 wash cycles, including options for intensive cleaning and eco-friendly mode. The stainless steel interior ensures durability, while the quiet operation makes it suitable for any kitchen. Returning to Hermit Luxe, we have another model of their countertop dishwasher. This dishwasher offers the same 5-liter capacity but with a different design and additional features. With dimensions of 16.85 inches deep, 16.73 inches wide, and 18.03 inches high, it's compact and efficient. It offers 5 washing programs, including options for strong cleaning and fruit cleaning. The high-temperature wash and PDC hot wind ensure thorough cleaning and drying. Our seventh option is the Farberware FDW5 ASBWA Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher. With a built-in 5-liter water tank and dimensions of 17.3 inches deep, 16.5 inches wide, and 17.3 inches high. This dishwasher is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs. It offers 5 wash cycles, including options for baby care and glassware. With a quick 40-minute cycle, it's perfect for busy individuals seeking a quick and efficient solution. Lastly, we have the Black Plus Decker BCD 6 watts Compact Countertop Dishwasher. With dimensions of 21.5 inches deep, 21.7 inches wide, and 17.2 inches high, this dishwasher offers a capacity of 6 place settings. It features 7 wash cycles, including options for eco-friendly cleaning and rapid cleaning. The LED display and touch controls make it easy to operate, while the stainless steel interior ensures durability. With so many options available, choosing the right countertop dishwasher for your needs has never been easier. Whether you're looking for compact size, advanced features, or energy efficiency, there's a dishwasher out there to suit your lifestyle. So say goodbye to hand washing and hello to convenience with a countertop dishwasher today.